Hopefully this video will help you understand Canvas a little bit better. So you first log into Clever and then you click on Canvas. So I'm now in Canvas, I'm in a student account, and this student has set it up in list view. If you're not sure how to make that happen, come up to these three little dots and change it from card view, so hit the three little dots, to list view. And you can see all the assignments in a list. If I click on today, I can see today's assignments. So there's a couple of reading assignments that are still missing. There is a math assignment that has 2 points. It doesn't look like it's been done yet. If I look on science, it has been graded and 2 points have been given. If I come back, if I want to know whether my child has done all their assignments, I can go back and see that language arts was completed. It was submitted late. Math, Khan Academy hasn't been graded yet, and math has been graded and all 4 points were given. iReady was graded and I got 10 points. If I come back, I see my science was graded, my math was graded. This last Tuesday, September 15th, it appears some assignments have not been finished. Here, sometimes you might get notes from your teacher. So this has been graded and feedback was given, and there's some feedback from me. So hopefully this will help you. Again, if you will change it from card view to list view, I think it'll be much easier and your child should be able to see anything that has been assigned for the day. Language arts, math, science, boom, all right there.